Brayden, did you give this note to Kevin G?
What the Sigma?
Shut up.
Jeez Louise, don't crash out, Unc.
Well, I think we both know your dad's gonna be no help. How about I call your Meemaw?
Don't do that.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Hello?
Yes, is this Maiden Schmaiden?
Yes, it is.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here with Brayden.
Oh, heavens. Has he been eating Play-Doh again?
Well, not exactly.
Oh, yeah.
What was that?
Oh, don't you worry about that.
Please tell me you're baking.
Oh, I'm whipping up some yeast, all right. Oh. Let's go, Mima. Generational Goon Sash kicking off in 3, 2, 1. I am D1, D1, D1. 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 I am D1, D1, D1.